Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have another unboxing of Boxycharm from their Mega Drop shop. I went crazy, and y'all have seen a few videos already. Well, 2, I think. And I combined 3 orders, and this is another order. And this order is because they gave me a coupon. After you spend money, sometimes they're like, come on, spend some more, spend some more. So they gave me a $5 coupon. Doesn't sound like much, but then they had this fabulous thing on sale. So because they have daily deals. Okay, so I've shown you all this several times, or I shouldn't say that, twice, because that's what I've done, 2 videos before this, okay? I got this deal. Now this deal, when I've gotten it before, I've gotten a couple of them, $9.99. This time they were $6.99. So there are 6 sheet masks in each of these, and each of these are valued at $24.99, which I would never pay $24.99 for 6 sheet masks. But so $75 value, I paid $6.99 for this. And then I got this box. This is a premium box. I don't ever order premium boxes. I have received a premium box or 2 in the sales, because I think the premiums, are they $35? So maybe they've gone up to $38 now, $37.99. I don't really know. And sometimes they sell them for that $35 to $40 in the sales. Well, this time, this box was, I have it written down, $20. $20. So that's less than a base box. So I got it. So let's see what's in it. So I paid $26.99, but I got $5 off. So I paid $21.99 for those 3 packs of sheet masks and this big boxy box. I did cut the seal. Whoops, oh, smudges here again. And you know it's a premium box when it's that bluish, sort of like a blue-gray inside. And there's a quick sneak peek. It does have a card. And the card says Boxycharm Gift of Glam. So this is from a particular month. And I think I hope this stuff isn't old in here, because it may be, you know, usually things don't, skincare type things, makeup type things don't start getting bad until you start using them. So, you know, then they have a countdown of 6 months or 12 months. So this is December 2021 premium. And the value of this box is $391, and I paid $20 for it. Okay, Smudge, you can come up if you want to. So this is 2112. It is, well, this is when they had those weird numbers. It says C21 1220, and then it says 1-PM. So I don't know if it is number 1 premium box. The PM means premium. 21 is the year, the year 2021, and it's December. I don't know. I don't know what anyway, I forget sometimes to tell you what my little number is too. Anyway, come on up, Smudge. He's right here. Anyway, so all right. So these, I've had these before. They're wonderful. I put them in some giveaways before as well. These are sheet masks, and they are ID.az. I'm not sure how you say that, except ID.az. These are Dermastic Water Fit masks, and I think there's 5 in here. It's sealed. See, these don't expire till 2024, so that's fantastic. Let me see how many are in here, because it is all, there is a little bit of English on it, but it's not saying how many, and I know that there's a few in here. So let me cut it open and see. Okay, yeah, there are 5 masks in here, so I'm happy to get that. And then there is, oh, and that, let me tell you the value of that. I forget that I have the card. The value of that is $20. Okay, so in a premium box, you get 2, 4, 6 products. That's probably why I've never gotten them before, because I get 5 in the base, so you pay $10-ish more to get an extra product. And I guess they're supposed to be a little bit more premium product items, but I get pretty good stuff in my base, so I'm happy with that. This is just their, you know, dog chewed paper that they like to put in there. And Smudge, come up. I don't know if he's gonna come up or not. Oh, and I think, maybe not. Yes, this was supposed to come with a bonus item. So I don't know, until we can't find something on the card, I won't know what the bonus item is. All right, this is EVO brand. I'm looking for the brand. Yes, EVO brand. These are sealed together. This is valued at $24, y'all. This is the EVO Beauty Lip Spo Liner Duo. Creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line or fill lips. It's a 2-piece kit, and it's a velvety formula. $24 is the manufacturing MSRP. So they're beautiful. I'm feeling like I've had these before, but maybe not. I may have received one here or there from Ipsy or from Boxy, but they're beautiful colors. They sure are. So $24 for that. And I did tell you $20 for the sheet masks. There is an Elemis product in here, fabulous. This is the Superfood Matcha I Do. I have not tried the Elemis matcha products. This is valued at $39, and it's a cooling eye gel, it says, with matcha. So let's see what it looks like in there. It's a big box for a small product, but it's an eye cream. You know, eye creams are wonderful to have. It's so funny because, you know, I've had my channel a couple of years. I have gotten probably no less than 10,000 eye creams. And anybody that has a channel will contest to that that's the truth. So I give them a lot away, but I always use one. So I keep one for myself and I give a bunch away. This doesn't have a safety seal on it. I'm surprised. But, so I'm using one right now, and I think I have one more and then I'm out. So I might like this, but I'm not sure. It's an eye gel, and normally for me, gels are not my favorite type of skincare because I have older skin. Usually gels, in my opinion, are for oily skin because there's no oil in it usually. So this might not be something for me, but I love Elemis. Y'all know I love Elemis. So let's go on to the next thing. Are you there, Smudge? He's here and he keeps hitting me. All right, this is, I don't see my bonus item yet. Okay. This I've had before and I like it. This is Stila. Is it Stila or Styla? S-T-I-L-A. This is mascara. Extreme Lash Mascara, valued at $23. So let's open it and see. It looks like a regular mascara. If I recall, it's gold. And I think I do like it. Maybe I haven't tried it, but it's very pretty, very pretty. I will try it because I think I have another one of these, so I might as well try it. So that is lovely to have. And then I have a couple of palettes. So let's see. This is, let me see. This is on here, so I'm not seeing my bonus. Well, all right, I may have to stop and look. This is called, oh, I don't know what it's called. Epione skincare. Can you see that word? This is Skincare by Beverly Hills. It's a flawless serum. I've never heard of this. It says from the December 2021 box, it says new brand of Boxy. Oh, value $195. You know, that means I'm going to try it. It's a powerful serum that reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Let's see what it looks like in here. I may not try it, y'all. I actually just got some nice serums that I've been using. Okay, so this is really interesting to me because this container is beautiful. I think this is gorgeous. But then they have this little sticker on here that isn't even placed properly for $195. If I'm going to pay $200 for something, this sticker better be placed properly, in my opinion. So this is how it is. It's nice. So it is sealed. I was going to try to unscrew it to smell it, but I'm not going to mess with it until I need it or pass it on to somebody else. $195. You know, nice, very, very nice. This is a very valuable box. Let me see what's going on here, okay? I have two palettes. One palette is on my card and one palette is my bonus item. So this is part of the box. This is Kenya Ontiveros Beauty. It is called Glow and Go Kit. It's gorgeous packaging. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? It's like a crocodile leather look. If you can see that in the green. It's beautiful. And here, maybe on the back a little bit better. You can see the ring light in there, but It's gorgeous. Glow and Go kit. So it has a nice magnet to it. Oh, is it pretty, y'all? I don't think I've ever seen this before. This is the Color Saver. I may have seen it before, but I don't recall seeing it before. So it has a mirror on one side, and it is beautiful. It has a this emblem embedded in the let me try to, I'll cover the mirror to show you, because it's in it goes this way. So it's a like a full face kind of a palette. There's eyeshadows and there's highlighter. I'm not quite sure what's what. These look like they might be, well, bronzers there, maybe a blush or a highlighter there. Looks, I don't know, like a base kind of. You could use that in a few different ways. And then there's some shadows here. And then here's some darker shadows that you can use as liners. Driven, empower, captivate, limitless, fearless, goals, joy, independent, angelic, and divine. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. I do believe by the Glow and Go kit, it's a full face kind of a palette. You know what I mean? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I don't recall seeing it. Not saying that I've never seen it, but it's not ever been something I've seen. And that is valued at $48. And since I had to stop, I did look at my bonus item. This is OPV Beauty, and this is called Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette, okay? It's beautiful looking, okay, the packaging. This is priced at $34. This is from London, and it is on sale many places for a lot less than $34. But that's the full price from the website, OPV Beauty London. And when you take it out of the sleeve, it looks the same there. Isn't that pretty? The spotlight's on there. And it has a nice magnet closure, and it has a mirror on one side, a nice full mirror. And these are beautiful. Wow. Each one is stamped with OPV in it. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful winter palette? These are shimmers over here. There's one matte. And then these two are shimmers up here. This purple shimmer, these are all mattes around here, I think. Yeah, these are all shimmers around here, except for that one. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, I don't know about the formula for OPV or anything. I'm not going to swatch it. I did see when I looked it up online, I saw a lot of swatching going on, and it's got a lot. There's 18 colors in here. It's got a lot going on. It's beautiful. So my box is valued at $349, and then add the $34 to that. So $383. I paid $20. I paid $6.99 for the sheet masks. I got $5 off. So did I pay $15? I don't know. But Boxycharm Premium, the last time I got a Boxycharm Premium, same thing. It was a phenomenal deal. So I'm super excited about this, y'all. I have some other boxes coming, some very reduced boxes coming. So as I get them, I'll show them. And again, this came without any notification. I just came home and there it was at my doorstep. So thank you, Boxy, because I'm not kidding you. I just bought this stuff. I don't know why they said, you know, the last couple months they've been moving in warehouses, whatever. They must be moved because this was like that. I think I ordered this stuff last week. I mean, it came right like that. Really, really fast. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for seeing my fabulous Boxycharm Mega Drop Shop deals. And count your blessings, y'all. Bye-bye.